Hi guys, so for the last educational website I found, it's called FunBrain, and I chose this website because it covers math, reading, problem solving, and literacy. It covers grades all the way pre-K and kindergarten, all the way to 8th grade, which I haven't found on a lot of sites. And then it has categories, so it has fun educational games, there's some reading, fun and educational videos, this playground one, and a specific math zone. And I mean, even look at this fun game. I mean, just pops up. Dig into our planet and the forces that shape it. So you're going to go through and talk about the volcano and um, how the lava goes all the way to the top. And so my intended audience, of course, is going to be students and educators. Students, of course, because this is all for them. And then educators, because as I've mentioned previously, it's good to share good content in technology when you find it. So, two of the ISTE standards for education leaders that I have chosen is first 5-5A, which is set goals to remain current on emerging technologies for learning, innovations in pedagogy, and advancements in the learning sciences. So I think this is a great website that's going to keep up with new technology and new subject material for each of the subjects it covers. And I want to keep up on technology now too. I mean, that's where we're at. Everything's pretty much heading in the technology area if it hasn't. And then the second one I chose is 2-2B, which is built on the shared vision by collaboratively creating a strategic plan that articulates how technology will be used to enhance learning. So, sharing with other educators, a good website that I found is why I chose that one. I think it'll be good to use in other classes. I mean, like I said, could be kindergarten, pre-K, all the way to 8th grade. Good to share with all of them. And I'm just going to click on one. So I'm just going to click on the games. And the Earth one's first. I'm going to do, okay, let's see here. What do we have? So even right here, it tells you what grades this would be good for. So this is good for all grades. Star Climber. The downside is ads, of course, but what doesn't really have ads anymore? And maybe it'll pop up, maybe it won't, but that's kind of how you get to it. Then there's the reading, there's books that are fun for the kids to listen to, educational and just ones that they love, videos, good educational, how to deal with annoying siblings, kind of make fun with it, and so on and so forth. So yes, those are the reasons that I decided to go with this website.